question number 121. How many structures are diploid among synergids, antipodals, pollen grain, embryo and integuments? Synergids and antipodal, they both are the member of female gametophyte and they are haploid. Pollen grain is haploid, it is a male gametophyte. Embryo is formed after the division in the zygote, so it is diploid, and integuments is also diploid. So out of these, how many structures are diploid? Embryo and integuments are diploid. So answer to this question is option number 2, which includes embryo and integuments. Okay, I hope you are clear. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 122. Wolfia is included in angiosperms because, Wolfia को हमने angiosperms में क्यों include किया है? Because seeds of the Wolfia are not protected by seed coat. No, seeds protected होते seed coat से. So this is not the reason that why Wolfia is included in angiosperms. Seeds are enclosed in fruits. This is true. Seeds are enclosed in fruits. This is the feature of angiosperms. And Wolfia के पास ऐसी seeds हैं जो fruit के अंदर enclosed हैं. So this is one of the reason that why Wolfia is included in angiosperms. Production of two types of spores. That means heterospores. अब two types of spores are produced in pteridophytes. कुछ pteridophytes में produce होते हैं. They are also produced in gymnosperms and in angiosperms. So this is not the feature कि हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि Wolfia angiosperm में इसलिए included है because वो heterosporous है. No, because pteridophytes में भी कुछ members heterosporous हैं. Gymnosperms and angiosperms में भी heterosporous organisms होते हैं. So this is not the feature. Fourth is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition is present in Wolfia. This is correct. But this is not the feature कि हम इस feature की वजह से Wolfia को angiosperms में नहीं place कर रहे. Because autotrophic mode of nutrition is present in all the members of plantae except few. For example, in alga, Bryophytes, Pteridophytes, Angiosperm, Gymnosperms, सब में autotrophic mode of nutrition होता है. In fact, there are certain members of Monera and Protista जिनके अंदर autotrophic mode of nutrition होता है. So, autotrophic mode of nutrition is not the feature जिसकी वजह से हम Wolfia को angiosperms में place कर रहे हैं. This is incorrect. So, answer to this question is option number 2. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 123. Question number 123 says, all bryophytes are characterized by multicellular and branched rhizoids. No, this is true for mosses and not for liverworts. Leafy gametophyte. Leafy gametophyte is present in mosses and not in liverworts. So this is also incorrect. Protonema. It is also present in mosses and not in liverworts. Production of one type of spores. This is true for both mosses, liverworts and other bryophytes. So this is the feature which is true for all bryophytes. So answer to this question is option number 4. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 124. Question number 124 says that which of the following is odd one with respect to bryophytes? इस question में सारे options में you can see moss is there. So this question is just to confuse you. You should know the scientific names of these plants. Club moss is Lycopodium, and we know that Lycopodium is a pteridophyte. Hair cap moss is Polytrichum. It is a bryophyte. peat moss is sphagnum. It is also a bryophyte. Fourth is cod moss. It is funaria. It is also bryophyte. You have to select an option which is not bryophyte. You have to select odd one with respect to bryophytes. So option number 1, that club moss is Lycopodium. It is a pteridophyte and not bryophyte. So answer to this question is option number 1. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 125. Strobili or cones are found in some pteridophytes, megasporophylls, are compactly arranged to form strobili or cones. Selaginella and Equisetum, they both are the pteridophytes in which megasporophylls are compactly arranged to form cones. So this is correct. Selaginella, Equisetum, Selaginella. Here sphagnum is a bryophyte which do not bear cones, so we can rule out this option. Azolla and Marsilia, they both are pteridophytes, but they do not have strobili or cones. They bear spores in sporocarp. Okay, so both 2 and 3 are ruled out. So by this, answer to this question is option number 1, that strobili and cones are found in Selaginella and Equisetum. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 126.